Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to tell me what you've got there? What's that? Ketchup.
Ketchup.
Okay. The next.
Water.
You've got water.
Water.
Yeah. And then milk.
Milk.
That's correct, AJ. Okay. What else do you have?
This.
Let me see. Show it to me, and then we try and identify it. What does it say? Delicacy health. I think it's something for dessert, isn't it, AJ? Yeah, it's for dessert. What else do you have?
It's a playhouse. It's a playhouse. And then I'm doing toys and doing milk and toys and doing 8 times.
Okay.
And money and 2.
Yeah. Okay, AJ, what do we have here today? What do we have here?
Toys.
We've got a cash register toy today, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what is AJ going to do? You're going to sell?
Yeah.
You're going to sell some vegetables and
Yeah.
drinks to mommy, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Let's open it.
Should I help you?
Okay, let's open it. I do it.
Oh, you can do it? Do you need some help? You need some help? Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna help you, alright?
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Have water.
It's all open now? Ah, so what do you have there?
This.
What is it? I think
Ketchup.
ketchup, that's correct. What else do you have?
What's that?
Milk.
Milk.
That's milk, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what else do you have?
Money.
You've got some money.
Yeah.
Ah, that's coins, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's called coins. Yeah, and you've got some cash.
Cash.
Yeah? You've got some paper cash.
Yeah.
Ah,
Ah.
you're going to put it in your till? Okay. I think you need help with that one. You need a scissors.
I did it.
You did it? Let me help you cut it. Oh, you did it. AJ,
Yeah.
do you want to tell me what you've got there?
Have
What's that? Ketchup.
ketchup.
Okay. The next,
Have water.
you've got water.
Water.
Yeah. And then milk.
Milk.
That's correct, AJ. Okay, what else do you have?
This.
Let me see. Show it to me, and then we try and identify it. What does it say? Delicacy health. I think it's something for dessert, isn't it, AJ? Yeah, it's for dessert. What else do you have? You've got coins. Oh, you can put the coins in your till.
Yeah.
Put the coins in your cash register. 2, count, 3, 4. AJ, you count.
1, 3,
2, 3, 4, 5. AJ, you have a lot of coins there.
yeah.
Oh, will it fit in your till? Is it going to fit?
Yeah.
Oh wow, that's really nice. AJ, I can see you've got some vegetables there as well.
Okay.
Can you show me the veg? What's that? Is that a coin?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not a coin.
Huh?
That's not a coin. That's corn.
This are apples.
That's green pepper.
It's also green pepper.
Yeah. What about the other one? Oh, AJ, what do you think that is? What does it look like?
Chicken.
Chicken. That's a whole chicken there.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Okay. You want to scan some things? Ooh. Okay, AJ. I want to buy some things from your shop.
Okay.
Okay, I want some water.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
That's okay. Again. Ah, is that water?
Yeah.
Okay, it goes in my basket. Ah, thank you. Okay, can I have some milk?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Good.
Ah, okay. Thank you. You want to put it in my basket?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, what else do you have there, AJ? I want some ketchup.
Okay.
Ketchup. Okay, that's ketchup for me. Oh, thank you. Okay, it goes in my basket. Okay, AJ, I think I need some chicken too.
Okay.
I need a chicken. Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay, AJ. Okay, I think I'm done for the day. How much is it?
£2.
Is it £2? Oh, okay. I've got $2 here. I'll give you $2, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. You're going to put it in your till?
Yeah.
Okay, put it in your till. All right then. Okay. Yeah, you have a lot of money now, AJ.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you for letting me buy your things. I'll see you later. Bye. Bye-bye. I'll come back next time. Hey guys, remember to hit the subscribe button for more fun videos.